This is a question related with the diet. So please read the question. So you can please read the question and understand the question. Here the question is, upon reviewing the pregnant client's blood test results, the nurse traces mercury. So in the blood test, nurse traces mercury. Just a minute. Okay, so traces mercury, and even after the nurse had healthy dietary modification. So already nurse has given a healthy modification to the mother, pregnant mother. She, in the blood test, mercury is traced. Okay, so actually the nurse has given a proper diet plan for this pregnant lady, but right now in the blood test mercury is traced. Fine. So which action of the client does the nurse discuss to reduce the risk of client? So here in the blood test mercury is traced. So out of this four, which one causes high mercury in the blood? Okay, so this is something kind of a diet. So in a diet, which of the following diet practice causes mercury to accumulate in the blood? Number one says the client has 5 soaked walnut every day. Soaked walnut never accumulate mercury. So you can just remove this. And next is client consume king mackerel very often. King mackerel, it's a fish. Fine. So that has mercury. There are different kind of king mackerels. Okay, certain kind of a Pacific Atlantic king mackerel is not having much mercury, but there are a certain group of king mackerel which is a fish which contains mercury. Every day, very oftenly eating king mackerel always accumulate mercury in our body. So it is not really permitted for pregnant ladies. Okay. So in a week, thrice is the maximum time we can consume king mackerel. So that causes accumulation of mercury. And next, see, remember king mackerel is really good because it has protein, it has omega-3. Okay, so it has a heavy dietary value, but at the same time, some of the king mackerel has mercury as well. Fine. And client eats 1 medium bowl of flaxseed. Even flaxseed is also not forming mercury. And the client has cooked soya bean and as an evening snack. So even cooked soya bean is also not forming mercury. So king mackerel, okay, often eating king mackerel can accumulate mercury within our body. Okay, so do you all have any other doubts?